You search for how to buy shares of Lifeway Foods Inc., the U.S. food company best known for kefir and probiotic dairy drinks. Lifeway Foods trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LWAY, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy LWAY, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LWAY to locate Lifeway Foods. Make sure the listing matches the NASDAQ company before proceeding. Open the Lifeway Foods asset page to view basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure it's the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed on the next open session. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before it can complete the trade. After the purchase, your LWAY position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the description for the broker used in this example.